Yeah, so it's been some 10 days and the bike is still not in running condition. The problem is the starter, the rotor is wasted, and I took it to some local electrician shop, and they tested it, and rotor is wasted, so I ordered a new one, but actually, used one from Germany. We'll see what I get. That is always gamble with that used parts, but hopefully rotor will be fine, and I can put new brushes and check everything, put it on. New balancer came, and I must say that I'm really satisfied how it's look compared to the old one. It's look almost brand new. I have a lot of brushes here, and I'm pretty confident that I can leave it as it is for now. I will just lubricate this point, and just to help spinning a little bit and connect everything. Only thing that I was missed was this screw, and I use it from the old one, but everything else seems fine. So let's try to put this on. I even got a cable in much better condition than the old one, so nice upgrade for that too. So yeah, let's connect this and see if bike will start. Wish me luck. Let's see what we got. I'm really happy with what I got. So balancer is in and it's working perfect. Yeah, I'm very satisfied with the part I got. I paid with shipping some 60 euros. Let me show you the old one. So here it is, and as you can see, it's really in bad condition. It was due to be changed, and the guy told me that I didn't destroy it with jumping the solenoid. It just it was over for him, and the rotor is gone. So yeah, the new one, new wire. I'm really happy. Let's try another time. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That is fixed, and now let's wait a weekend and go to the moto meeting and have fun. See you guys.